All right, let's talk about how you can convert kilograms into grams or vice versa, grams into kilograms here within Excel. Now, that should be a pretty quick tutorial for you. So assuming you don't know how many kilograms are in a gram or vice versa, what you can do is use the convert formula within Excel. So select that formula, and then it's going to ask you for a number. And then you're going to select what you want to convert. So in this case, we want 1 kilogram converted into grams. So we'll select that, comma, then it's going to ask, well, what unit is that in? Because Excel doesn't know that this column is full of kilograms. So what we'll do is hit quote. So then we'll type kg for kilogram, and then comma, it's going to ask, well, what unit do we want to convert that into? And we want it to be quote G quote for gram. Then we'll go ahead and hit enter, and then it will tell us, hey, there's 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. So then we can copy that formula down, and that will convert these likewise. Now we can do the same if we're trying to convert grams to kilograms by taking this number, comma, this time we're going to switch it up and hit gram first, then followed by kg for kilogram. And then we will drag that down. And there you have it. That's how you can convert kilograms to grams in Excel. Super quick and easy. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Thank you, and have a great rest of your day.